Hey, it's Free Game Friday. Hey y'all, it's attorney Ashley Goggins here for your weekly Free Game Friday. If you are a father, go ahead and share this out with the other fathers that you know. If you are a mother, go ahead and share this out with all the fathers that you know. I want you to share this out with your brothers, your cousins, your Facebook friends, your Instagram friends, any fathers that you know. Go ahead and share it out with them right now. I am going to share this out to all of my friends and all the fathers that I know. So let's get it started, y'all. We're sharing it out. Hello. Thank you for all of my returning viewers that are with me every single week. I appreciate you all so much. All right. Here we go. And guys, remember, if you have a question that you would like answered on Free Game Friday, go ahead and click the link that is right here in the caption so that your question could possibly be answered on the next Free Game Friday, which will be next Friday, especially during our Father's Edition. Okay? Y'all ready to get started? Y'all ready to get started? Have you shared this out? Check. You got your pen and paper? Check. You tagged the father? Check. All right. So listen, guys, again, I'm attorney Ashley Goggins here at Ashley Goggins Law. I represent people that are involved in any criminal law matter, as well as family law matters, including father's rights. And if you are in an auto accident, I'm here to help you out as well. So let's get started, guys. Today's question comes from a father here in Florida. A father here in Florida. This father wants to know he is on child support, but he can barely see his child. What can he do? He is on child support and can barely see his child. What can he do? All right. So, father, I'm going to call him father. Father, first of all, I'm sorry that you cannot see your child as much as the mother gets to see the child, but we're going to change that, right? So, here's what you can do. You can file a petition with the court. You can file a petition with a court in Florida, because guys, we're talking about Florida law here. I'm a Florida attorney. I'm not your attorney, but this is just for educational purposes. So hypothetically, if you are a father and you're on child support, but your baby's mother or your child's mother, your girlfriend, your ex-girlfriend, ex-wife doesn't allow you to see your child when you get ready, you can file a petition with the court. That is called a time-sharing petition or a paternity petition with the courts. You want some other related relief. So along with that paternity petition, you are asking the court to help you all come to an agreement on time-sharing, or what we like to call a parenting plan. That means that the courts, if you guys cannot come to an agreement, help you all come to an agreement on the time that each parent gets to spend with the child. Okay, so maybe you want to spend 50-50. You want equal time, just like the mother has right now. You want equal, she doesn't have it right now, but you want equal time with the child. So what does equal time look like? Equal time typically looks like every other week, every 2 weeks. Basically, it's 180 days per parent. 180 days per parent. So that means that you can possibly have your child all week long. So you need to make sure, does your job allow for you to pick up your child from school when it's your week? Does your employment or your job allow, or your lifestyle allow for you to take the child to school in the morning, or arrange some type of care for the child to go to daycare, to go to school? You will be the full-time parent during your 180 days, okay? Also, in that parenting plan, we discuss health insurance, who pays health insurance, where the child goes for the summer, who the child spends with during holidays. Also, split parenting decisions. So you guys, when there is a major decision that is going on with the child, you guys have to come to an agreement per the parenting plan of what should happen. If the child goes out of state, this is key about having a parenting plan in place, because right now, if you don't have a parenting plan in place, the mother can take the child out of the state, and she don't need permission, okay? She don't need permission at all, and you can't make her come back unless and until there's an order signed by the judge, okay? So you think you don't have time now, you really won't have time if the child is gone out of state. But once there's an active case that is going on, you can no longer take the child out of the jurisdiction of wherever the case was filed. Is everybody clear on that? Everybody got us? For those of you that are coming on, tag a father. This father that we're talking about today wants to know he is paying child support, and unfortunately, he does not get as much time with the child as the mother does. So he wants to know, what can he do? So he can file a petition with the court to have that relief. That's called a parenting plan. So make sure, guys, before you file a parenting plan or file a paternity petition, make sure that your life is together, okay? You got to make sure that you're able to have the child, feed the child, clothe, bathe, take care of the child, help the child with homework. You have a stable living environment, okay? Because, again, your child's going to be with you full time. So just sit right there and say, nam, nya, nya. You know, close your eyes and imagine having your child. There are so many fathers, so many great fathers that have their child 100% of the time. There are some fathers that have their child all week long by themselves, don't need any assistance. Be ready if you are requesting full custody, if you're are 100% time sharing, or 50%, or 60, or 70. Make sure that you are ready. Make sure that you are ready for that responsibility, okay? Just a big heads up. Now, also, fathers, remember, your time sharing is also going to determine your child support obligation, okay? Child support obligation, time sharing, they go hand in hand, all right? Some of you all, if you're paying child support, that means that you're paying child support through DOR, which is the Department of Revenue. The Department of Revenue does not do parenting plans and time sharing, okay? They're just telling you, hey, look, you got a child out here, you need to pay it. That doesn't mean you have equal rights and time sharing to your child, okay? So that's a big misconception there. Make sure that if you are put on child support, you need to go establish your rights with the courts, because, again, DOR does not do that. Does anybody have any questions about anything that I said? That's just a quick tip this Friday. If you need help filing this petition, if you need help establishing a time sharing or a parenting plan, you can hire us over here at Ashley Goggins Law. We'll be happy to assist you with that. If you have any other related family law matter, give us a call. And if you want your question answered here live, just got a quick question, want a little bit of guidance, a little bit of education on the family law here in Florida, please click the link that you see in the caption. Free Game Friday, just submit your question. We'll get it answered. All right, guys, so I'm so happy that you guys joined us today. Hey, everybody, again, share this out with any fathers that you know. They may have the same question. Go ahead and help them out. Introduce them to me, your friends and your followers, and I will see you guys next Friday right here, same time, same place for Free Game Friday. Have a good weekend.